Hi everybody, my name's Brian Stone. I'm the president of TROPTIONS. We're doing 7 videos teaching people how to use their TROPTIONS. We started with video 1, strategy. Video 2, get involved. Video 3, educate yourself. Video 4, being able to explain your asset, TROPTIONS. Video 5, buying something with TROPTIONS from a friend or a family, something small. Video 6 is the TROPTIONS ecosystem. If you're a business holder or business owner, and you would like to be a part of the TROPTIONS ecosystem, we would love to have you. All you need to do is free to sign up, and all you need to do is go to TROPTIONS.Gold and go to the ecosystem and register your business so that other TROPTION holders can come to your business and use part TROPTIONS and part cash. Most ecosystem businesses start at 20% TROPTIONS and the rest in cash. It gives the TROPTIONS holders a place to use their TROPTIONS and save 20% cash, and it also gives the retailer a new group of customers that want to use their TROPTIONS to purchase or buy goods and services from you. So I would recommend that everybody that has a business get involved. If you know somebody that has a business, get them involved. The bigger we make our ecosystem, the more places our TROPTION holders have to use their TROPTIONS. So it only makes sense for a business owner to welcome new business, and new business is the TROPTION holders. TROPTION holders are doing unbelievable amounts of transactions on a weekly and a monthly basis. They're buying things all over the world. We just opened up an office in Ukraine, Russia, that we have TROPTION holders over there. In China, TROPTIONs are all over Australia, all over the world. People are using TROPTIONs. So if you are involved in a business, we want you to get involved and let our TROPTION holders come to your business and use some of their TROPTIONs in your business to buy your goods and services. We have t-shirt people, we have accountants, we have lawyers, we have you name it, car dealers, you name it, all kinds of different people that are in our ecosystem. And if you'd like to be a part of that, we'd like you to get involved. But furthermore, we really would like you to get involved if you're a TROPTION holder to utilize these businesses and support each and every one of our businesses. Go to their Facebook page, like their Facebook page, and support the businesses that are involved in TROPTIONs, because we're one big family, and together we will grow even bigger by each person supporting the other person. Now, if you are a individual out there, what I suggest for you and your TROPTIONs is to reach out to some of your friends and families. I have people that go into dentists, medical doctors, and ask them, hey, would you accept TROPTIONs? And all they can do is say no. But if you can do the steps that we talked about before this video, where you can you're able to explain TROPTIONs to them, that makes a world of difference for them to get involved. Again, the more people that we get involved, the more businesses that we get involved, the greater value your TROPTIONs that you hold become. So this isn't a Brian Stone type of thing, or Garland E. Harris, or TROPTIONs. This is anybody that holds TROPTIONs. These are your TROPTIONs. They're not my TROPTIONs. These are your TROPTIONs. And this is an asset that you got involved in. And if your asset goes from 10 cents to $500, I would think that you would want to be and pay a lot of attention to how you can use and how these can value you. Because you may be talking to a doctor and using TROPTIONs to pay the doctor instead of pay cash. Okay? A veterinarian for your animals to pay TROPTIONs instead of paying cash. So spread the word out about TROPTIONS ecosystem. If you're a business, we're interested in you getting involved. If you're an individual and you know somebody that owns a business, open your mouth, get them involved, and we're just going to welcome everybody, and TROPTIONS is going to continue to grow around the world and in the United States. My name is Brian Stone. I'm the president of TROPTIONS. We'll be talking to you soon.